Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this tutorial, we will discuss about SAP HANA BI development. So, what is SAP HANA? SAP HANA is an in-memory database which provides the HANA modeling, data provisioning, and the BI reporting features in a single application. So it is mostly used as a data warehouse for many organizations with transaction systems. So BI development has always been a challenge for the companies who have massive amount of historical data. So SAP HANA is something which is helping them a lot here. So in many companies, the transactional system and the data warehouse, they are kept separate, because if we run the complex OLAP queries on the transactional systems, they will affect the performance of the system significantly. So to avoid that, we have the data warehouses where we will keep the data and we will run. So on the periodic basis, the data from the transactional system, it has to be replicated into the data warehouse. So SAP HANA supports the real-time replication from the transaction system to the data warehouse using SLT method, which is a trigger-based approach for the data replication. So there are different modules who are using SAP HANA, like we have the S4 HANA, we have the SAP Business One, we have SAP Fiori. So all these are the HANA based modules. So SAP HANA data modeling, it helps the users to model the application data and perform the database functions like creating schemas, tables, views at runtime. So we have the different documentations which are available from SAP, where we can get a plenty of information about the SAP HANA. And according to SAP, the deployable on-premise or in the cloud, SAP HANA is an in-memory data platform that lets you accelerate the business processes, deliver more business intelligence, and simplify your IT environment. So this is how SAP HANA is helping a lot of organizations these days to have the real-time data replication from their transactional systems to the data warehouses. Also, it has the in-memory capacity so that the data read is 1 million times faster as compared to the traditional systems, and hence the complex OLAP queries in the business intelligence reports, they take less time to run when the DW system contains the huge amount of historical data. So in this tutorial, we have discussed about the introduction of SAP HANA BI development. Thank you.